7 Effective Ways to Increase Natural Light in Your Home. Dear friends, despite having ample lighting options, sunlight is always preferred as the more natural and cheery way to brighten your home. Here are some tips to get optimum natural lighting at home. Large windows. The most obvious way to get sunlight in is to have large windows. Windows facing the east or west can catch the sun's rays easily, flooding your home with sunlight. However, this option is restricted to those who are building a home or planning for a complete overhaul of home interiors. Mirrors and reflective surfaces. Mirrors and reflective surfaces can make your home come alive by reflecting sunlight. If angled perfectly, the light can travel even to the darkest corners. Mirrors near the windows and furniture with glass or glossy finishes work magically in brightening your home. Light colors and pastels. Colors and light have a correlative bond, where light colors reflect more light, making the room bright and airy naturally. They also absorb the heat from the sunlight, keeping your home cool during summers and warm during winters. Sheer curtains. Where privacy is an issue, like the bedroom, you can turn towards sheer curtains, which allows light to peek into your room without giving anyone outside a view. Sheer curtains are light and can soften the overall appearance of your room. Light-hued ceilings. Higher ceilings offer a better chance of getting abundant natural light into the room. Opt for a lighter shade for your ceiling when compared to the walls. If you have white walls, then flat white works perfectly in casting sunlight into the room. Placement of furniture. Devise a layout for your furniture such that it doesn't obstruct light. Always arrange low-profile furniture near the windows. An open, clutter-free room is always fresh when compared to a heavily accessorized or strewn mess. Use skylight. Extensively used in traditional homes, skylights have a dual advantage. If you have an independent home, this can be a stylish way to let your home bask in natural light during the day and give you a view of the stars at night. Sunlight not just makes your home bright but also lets it stay fresh and hygienic. Expose your home to natural light to achieve an exuberant look. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.